Hey everyone, this is Faye. Today I'll be showing you Red Velvet Irene inspired makeup tutorial in Really Bad Boy. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to apply a ton of cream all over my face to brighten up my skin. And then for the foundation, I'm going to try this Etude House New Serum Foundation in Glossy Pure, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone color. Next, I'm going to cover up my dark circles with a cream concealer. For the eyebrows, I'm going to make my eyebrows look like Irene's signature eyebrows. I'm going to draw the shape with a medium brown eyebrow pencil first. And then after that, I'm going to apply a darker color eyebrow powder on top of it. Next, I'm going to make my nose look higher and smaller by applying a shading powder onto the side of my nose. And also to make my face look slimmer, I'm going to apply shading powder onto my jawline and my hairlines. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going to apply a matte salmon color onto my eyelids like this as the base color. And next, I'm going to apply a medium copper color onto my mauve eyelids and bring it to the lower lids at the other corner a little bit by using a tapered eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm going to apply a brown color onto the other corner of my eyes like this. For the eyeliner, I'm going to draw a really thin line close to the upper lash line and draw the tail a little bit longer than my eyeline. Also, I'm going to line my waterline a little bit near the tear duct. Next, apply the falsies. And then apply the mascara. And for this eye makeup, I'm using a dark brown mascara. After that, I'm going to shade my lower lid a little bit by applying a dark brown color near the lower lashes. Next, I'm going to apply a dark rose blusher onto the apple of my cheeks and make the shape a little bit like square. Last, I'm going to apply a matte orangey red lip tint onto my lips and blend it out with a Q-tip. And then the makeup is done. This is the finished look. If you think this makeup look is similar enough with Irene's look, just leave a comment below and let me know. I hope you liked this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!